All right, so today we're going to take a look at the Yealink T27G SIP phone. It's a VoIP phone for internet phone service or voice over IP. Here's the T27G, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about placing a call on the Yealink T27G. Let's dial our example number. So you can see that the phone's waiting for additional input and it's not actually sending the call. There's a little bit of a lag time after you dial because the phone's waiting for additional input. So in order to kind of bypass that and make the dialing experience a little quicker, what we normally tell our customers is to go ahead and dial the number first before picking up the receiver. So we go ahead and dial the example number here. And then we pick up the receiver, and as you can see, the phone sent that call out immediately. It knew that we were done inputting digits, and it just sent that call out. Another option you could do is, if you don't want to pick up the receiver, you want the call on speakerphone, you can go ahead and dial the number. You can hit the send button here after you dial the number, which is also the pound key or the hash key, or there's a send button up here also. So you can press that send button when that history button turns to send. Another option is dial the number and hit speakerphone, and then it brings that call active.